This tutorial will cover uploading documents to the customer's online profile. Once you have accessed the customer's profile, go to the Uploads tab. Once you have uploaded any documents, you will be able to filter and sort by the file name, the description, who uploaded it, when it was uploaded, or you will be able to remove the document in the event that you accidentally upload a wrong document to a customer profile. To actually complete the upload, click the Upload button, select a file from your computer, write a description, and then click the Upload button. It's very important that you add a description so that you don't have to open every single document in the event that you have documents that are very similar in name. There are a number of items that you would want to upload to the customer file, but please make sure that you do not include any personally identifying information, PII, meaning no social security numbers in full number on the customer profile.